In the past 24 hours, the Chief Minister's Secretariat in Imphal has hosted its second cabinet meeting. Approximately 25 ministers and MLAs, including the Speaker of Manipur, attended the meeting today. The meeting was convened by Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren to address escalating violence in Manipur. Following the discussions, the teams of MLAs and ministers accompanied by the Chief Minister and the Speaker will present a memorandum to the Governor of Manipur, Lakshman Prasad Acharya. There is significant speculation that the proposal might involve imposing suspended animation of Legislative Assembly in Manipur. Residents are eagerly watching to see if this government meeting will lead to divisive actions to resolve the ongoing crisis and restore lasting peace in the state. This decision comes in the wake of a week marked by severe unrest in the state.